We're proud of the work that we have done. We're proud of the work of our faculty. We're proud of the work of our staff. We're proud of the work of our students who come through Mojave Community College. They're outstanding.